welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. That's SouFLoTV, SouFLoTV. For those of you who don't know, SouFlo means South Florida, because that's where I was raised, even though I'm a Jamaican still, right? Stomping grounds and at YouTube. Anyway, I want a child, but my girlfriend only likes mouthwater. Alright, so check the story out, because this story hinges on all kind of madness. And like I said before, don't put nothing past nobody. Watch this. So this person says, I am 25 years old and I have a girlfriend who is 26. We have been together for 1 year now and she is living on her own. When I met her, she had just lost her baby. I got to know one of her girlfriends and she told me that my girlfriend is lying to me. She said she did not lose the baby. This is our friend, you know. This is some other friend. Whether them like your man or not, or something, me don't know. Them bust out a secret them for no reason. So the friend told him that his girlfriend was lying. She didn't lose the baby. She dashed it away. I got to know one of her girlfriends and the girlfriend said that she's lying. She did not lose the baby. She threw it away. I told her that I didn't believe her because I didn't think that my girl would do such a thing. She's not that kind of person. And she said, yes, because the man who got her pregnant was actually her brother. And that's why she threw away the baby. I don't know what's going on with this family ram thing, but 14-year-old boy and 11-year-old sister, baby, and then this now. And the man said, I was shocked. One evening when I went to see her, she was cooking my favorite food, some ackee and some saltfish. For the first time, I asked her, what was the favorite food of her former boyfriend? And she said, he was not fussy over food. Him just take anything when me give him. Plain rice and mackerel was good enough for him, she said. We started to talk about him. And she said that he was mean, so she couldn't stay with him. Then she said it was this girl's brother. So I knew the girl was talking the truth. So the girl, I reasoned. Sometimes you don't want to know here, sir. You just don't want to know. I don't know why some guys feel like they should sit around with their now girl. Listen, she was somebody's girl before she was your girl, okay? Somebody was positioning it properly and beating it from all angles and doing every friggin' thing else that you're doing to it too and more. Some of the things them she can't even tell you, and she herself not believes that she even do them. So I don't know why some guys feel the need to sit and have a conversation with a female they're with now about the past men she's been with or her ex. Me and no woman not talk about her ex. I sit down and have conversation while she's cooking dinner about her ex. Why would I want to know what his favorite food is and all these kind of things? Where that I go? And for those of you who are brave enough to do it, you might hear some things that change your life forever or change the way you view this person that you call girlfriend forever. So just take my advice and just don't do it. Alright? So, the man said, I reasoned it in my mind that whether she aborted the pregnancy or not, that was before my time. And now is a completely different story. I am having a hard time with her when it comes to sex. She does not want me to penetrate her. So I do not have no sex then, brother. She does not want me to penetrate her. What? All she is interested in is me using my mouth. Nothing is wrong with her. I asked her why that is all she wants me to do. And she said that is what she likes. No. At the risk of saying too much, I'm just going to read on. I do not have any children as yet. I would like to become a father and I don't want to run around, he said. This is my second girlfriend. You're 25 and this is your second girlfriend. Nothing wrong with that. You're a good boy. My mother gave me a piece of land, and I am gathering material up right now to put a 2-bedroom house on that piece of land. I work with a contractor and he has promised to help me. My friends in the area, they would help me too. But this problem is on my mind. My mother told me that I should settle down before she dies and give her some grandchildren. I don't know anything about my father, and I would really like to bring my mother's wishes to fruition. My mother doesn't know whether he is dead or alive. So in other words then, another classic case of had a baby for a man that disappeared kind of thing. My mother doesn't know whether he is dead or alive. I figured it was my duty to take care of my mother, and the stress lands on the child. I have a sister and she is married and living in Canada. She used to tell me that I should marry, now my Canadian, now my Canadian SouFLoTV family are going to tune in close to this story and see if them brother tell them family business. I have one girlfriend that only want him use his mouth and that. So, alright. She used to tell me that I figured it is my duty to take care of my mother. I have a sister, she's married and living in Canada. She used to tell me that I should marry one of her friends in Canada, but since I met this girl, I have decided that I will just settle down with her. But I can't tell my mother that she doesn't want me to enter into her garden and pick the roses. So, what do you suggest that I do? Alright, here one. I'm not going to leave no suggestion. I'm asking my SouFLoTV audience to talk to this man in the comment section below, and I will meet you there to give my 2 cents there as well. It's SouFLoTV, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe, leave your comments below. I'm out. Peace.